Safari, fast, energy efficient browser with strong security, clean interface, and useful privacy and reading features. Now I am going to show you how to download and install Safari web browser on Windows 10 or 11 computer. Let's get started. Go to your Google Chrome browser and in search type Safari browser for Windows. Hit enter. Here you will find Safari official website link. Click on Safari free download. Scroll down and you will find a download button here and it's free. Click on free download. Close Opera browser pop-up menu. Scroll down. Click on start download and download is started. Download finished. Click on show in folder. Right click on Safari executable file and then click on run as administrator. Preparing to install. Click on yes. Click on next. Click on I accept the term in the license agreement. Then click on next. Click on next again and then click on install. Congratulations, installation successfully finished. Now click on finish and you will find a desktop shortcut icon for Safari. Click on Safari. Safari browser is opened. Now you can enjoy your browsing with Safari securely and with very fast speed. That's it.